Hello everyone, this video I'm going to walk you through how to log out of your TikTok account. The first thing you have to do is open up the TikTok app, then click on the profile icon at the bottom. Then you click on the three lines at the top right corner. Click on settings and privacy, tap it. Then go all the way down, scroll the way down to log out. Tap on it. Are you sure you want to log out? Yes, you can either switch account or log out, but I want to log out. So if you want to log out, tap on log out. You will log out of this account, confirm your logout by clicking on log out again. And now I should be logged out of my account. And that is how to log out or sign out of your TikTok account on iPhone. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe for more. Thank you. I don't understand.